And then I do something even crazier. So then what I do is I go out, I grab these 10 magazines. I usually try to get 5 to 10 within the same niche, stack them all up, okay? So I'll stack all those up, and here's the second thing I do is I bring them all back. So I lay them all on the table. I usually have like 5 to 10 in the same niche. Ours is usually guns. And I go through here, I go through the magazines, and then I take scissors. And I will get a nice big white, kind of about the size of this poster board, okay? About the size of that TV, that's a 55-inch TV. So about the size of that, maybe a little bit bigger. And I'll sit over here, it usually takes me about an hour or two, and I will cut every single product out of those magazines. So I cut, and then what you'll notice is obviously you'll notice similarities, but what I like to see is visual. So I will take a poster board for each single magazine, and I'll put up all the products that I see. So now I can see it all in one picture. So this whole poster board holds all of the products within that one magazine. This poster board over here holds all the products in that magazine, and this poster board over here holds all the products in that magazine. And so now across the board, as I stand here and look back, I can see which products kind of are similar, what products seem to be selling, who took out big ads, who took out little ads, right? Who has more money to spend, which usually means more profit margin. So I'm taking all this in, I'm looking at it all, right? Because I want to know what products can I sell to this audience. You see, it's as simple as this. Magazines are the key.